Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Victorian age. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 288 up to part 12. This is part 13 dear friends. These questions are very useful for competitive exam. चाहे आपका वो पीजीटी हो, चाहे टीजीटी हो, पीएससी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर या नेट, कुछ भी कोई भी एग्ज़ाम हो, तो उन सब में दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी यूजफुल। तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन जानना चाहते हैं, सीखना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। डियर फ्रेंड्स, शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 289। चार्ल्स किंगले रोट एन इंटरेस्टिंग बुक फॉर चिल्ड्रन इन 1863, नेम दैट बुक। चार्ल्स किंगले ने एक इंटरेस्टिंग बुक लिखी थी बच्चों के लिए 1863। सो नेम दैट बुक, कौन सी बुक की है वो? विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? ऑप्शन ए द बेबी हाउस, ऑप्शन बी ईस्ट, ऑप्शन सी द वाटर बेबीज एंड ऑप्शन डी द पडल। सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? द वाटर बेबीज, ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 290। हाइपेटिया, yes, Hypatia and Best Bird Ho are the historical novel of. Hypatia and Best Bird Ho are the historical novel of option A Sir Walter Scott, option B Charles Kingsley, option C George Meredith and option D Thomas Carlyle. Thomas Carlyle. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question 290 is option B Charles Kingsley. Charles Kingsley is the correct answer. Charles Kingsley is the correct answer. यानी कि हाइपेटिया एंड बेस्ट वर्ड हो आर द हिस्टोरिकल नॉवल ऑफ चार्ल्स किंगले। क्वेश्चन नंबर 291। एट Elton Locke by Charles Kingsley is a novel which depicts the social injustice prevalent in the contemporary society. When was it published? ये कब published हुआ था? ऑप्शन ए 1848, ऑप्शन बी 1865, ऑप्शन सी 1855 एंड ऑप्शन डी 1850. So option D 1850 is the correct answer. Now question number 292. Who among the Victorian is better known as novelist of clerical life? Who among the Victorians is better known as novelist of the clerical life? Option A Charles Kingsley, option B Charles Dickens, option C Anthony Trollope and option D Benjamin Disraeli. So option C Anthony Trollope is a Victorians is better known as a novelist of clerical life. Now question number 293. Who wrote novels like Barchester's Towers, Family Personage and Dr. Thorne? Option A Sir Walter Pater, option B Anthony Trollope, option C R.L. Stevenson and W.M. Thackeray. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B Anthony Trollope. Anthony Trollope wrote novels like Barchester's Towers, Family Personage and Dr. Thorne. Question number 294. Who out of the following is a detective novelist in the English? Option A R.L. Stevenson, option B George Meredith, option C Walter Scott and option D Vicky Collins. Option D Vicky Collins is the correct answer. Option D. Now question number 295. क्वेश्चन है A novel of Vicky Collins was first published in Charles Dickens' magazine Household Words in 1866. Name that novel. A novel of Vicky Collins was first published in Charles Dickens' magazine Household Words in 1866. Name that novel. Option A The Woman in White, option B The Moonstone, option C No Name and option D Armadale. So option A The Woman in White is the correct answer. Now question number 296. Armadale a novel of Vicky Collins has been commended for its option A characterization, option B plot construction, option C melodrama, and option D irony. So Armada, a novel of Vicky Collins, has been commended for its melodrama. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 297. 297. In which novel of R.L. Stevenson do we find a character Jim Hawkins? In which novel of R.L. Stevenson do we find a character of Jim Hawkins? Option A, The Black Arrow. Option B, Treasure Island. Option C, Catriona. And option D, Kidnapped. Kidnapped. So which one is the correct answer? Option B, Treasure Island is the correct answer. Yes. Treasure Island. Treasure Island, option B is the correct answer of 297. Now question number 298. Who wrote Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde? Who wrote Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde? Option A, Anthony Trollope. Option B, George Meredith. Option C, George Eliot. And option D, R.L. Stevenson. R.L. Stevenson. So which one is the correct answer of 298? Option D, R.L. Stevenson is the correct answer. Now question number 299. Familiar Studies of Man and Books by Stevenson is A. Familiar Studies of Man and Books by Stevenson is A or N? Option A, essay. Option B, criticism. Option C, satire. And option D, epic. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is option A, essay. Essay is the correct answer. Now question number 300. Which of the following is a travelogue by R.L. Stevenson? Which of the following is a travelogue by R.L. Stevenson? Option A, The Ebb Tide. Option B, Prime Otto. Option C, An Island Boys. And option D, The Wreckers. So option C, An Island Boys is the correct answer. Now question number 301. Which of the following arrangement of poem is in correct chronological sequence? Option A, The Princess Maud, Enoch Arden, Timbuktu. Option B, Timbuktu, The Princess Maud, Enoch Arden. Option C, Enoch Arden, Timbuktu, The Princess Maud. And option D, Maud, Enoch Arden, Timbuktu, and the Princess. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer of 301? Option B. Option B जो है Timbuktu, The Princess, Maud and Enoch Arden. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. डियर फ्रेंड्स, क्रोनोलॉजिकल से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन मोस्टली एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं, इसलिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. आगे भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 302. Which of the following is arrangement of plays in the correct chronological sequence? Option A, The Cup, Queen Mary, Becket, Harold. Option B, Becket, The Cup, Queen Mary, Harold. Option C, Harold, Becket, The Cup, Queen Mary. And option D, Queen Mary, Harold, Becket, and The Cup. So which one is the correct answer of 302? Option D, Queen Mary, Harold, Becket, and The Cup is the correct answer. Now question number 303. Which of the following arrangement of Browning works is in the correct chronological sequence? Option A, Pauline, Paracelsus, Sordello, The Ring, and the Book. Option B, Paracelsus, Sordello, The Ring, and the Book, Pauline. Option C, Sordello, The Ring, and the Book, Pauline, and Paracelsus. Option D, The Ring and the Book, Pauline, Paracelsus, and Sordello. So which one is the correct answer? Correct option is, इसमें जो देखिए पॉलन इज द फर्स्ट बुक. पॉलन जो है फर्स्ट बुक है, तो पहले तो ए में दिया हुआ है पाउलान, यही ए ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। पाउलन, देन पैरासेल्सस, देन सॉर्डेलो, देन द रिंग एंड द बुक। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 304, which of the following arrangement of English novels is in the correct chronological sequence? Option A, Victoria, Treasure Island, Adam Bede, Sylvia's Lovers. Option B, Sylvia's Lover, Victoria, Treasure Island, Adam Bede. Option C, Adam Bede, Sylvia's Lover, Victoria, Treasure Island. Option D, Treasure Island, Adam Bede, Sylvia's Lovers and Victoria. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, Adam Bede, Sylvia Lover, Victoria, Treasure Island. Now question number 305, which of the following arrangement of Dickens novel is in the correct chronological sequence? Option A, Oliver Twist, Bleak House, Little Dorrit, Hard Times. Option B, Oliver Twist, Bleak House, Hard Times, Little Dorrit. Option C, Bleak House, Little Dorrit, Oliver Twist, Hard Times. And option D, Hard Times, Oliver Twist, Little Dorrit and Bleak House. So which one is the correct answer? Option B, Oliver Twist. Yes, Oliver Twist, then Bleak House, then Hard Time, then Little Dorrit. These are the correct chronological order of Dickens novels. Now question number 306. 306, which of the following age is called the age of doubt? कौन से एज को एज ऑफ डाउट कहा जाता है? ऑप्शन ए, द एज ऑफ चाउसर, ऑप्शन बी, द रोमांटिक एज, ऑप्शन सी, द विक्टोरियन एज एंड ऑप्शन डी, द रिस्टोरेशन एज. So Victorian age, option C is the correct answer. Now question number, who is known as the poet of liberty? पोएट ऑफ लिबर्टी किसे कहा जाता है? ऑप्शन ए, विलियम मॉरिस, ऑप्शन बी, AC स्विनबर्न, ऑप्शन सी, CA रिसोर्टी एंड ऑप्शन डी, मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड. सो ऑप्शन who is known as the poet of liberty? AC Swinburne is known as the poet of liberty. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 308, which of the following poem of Robert Browning shows heroes enduring thirst for knowledge? किस पोयम में रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग की में हीरो का जो बताया है कि उसको ज्ञान के प्रति जो भूख थी उसके बारे में बताया? ऑप्शन ए, पैरासेल्सस, ऑप्शन बी, द रिंग एंड द बुक, ऑप्शन सी, मैन एंड वुमेन एंड ऑप्शन डी, ड्रामेटिक लिरिक. सो ऑप्शन ए, पैरासेल्सस is the correct answer. Dear friend, this is the second last question of this video. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हो तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. आइडेंटिफाई द इंडियन बुक विच मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड रीड द मोस्ट. कौन सी बुक थी, इंडियन बुक थी जिसको मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड अधिकांशतः पढ़ा करते थे? ऑप्शन ए, रामायण, ऑप्शन बी, भागवत गीता, ऑप्शन सी, महाभारत एंड ऑप्शन डी, ऋग्वेद. सो भागवत गीता, ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. भागवत गीता इज द इंडियन बुक विच मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड रीड the most. Now question number 310. Dear friend, this is the last question. Which of the following is the first of Robert Browning? रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग में इसमें सबसे पहले क्या लिखा था? द रिंग एंड द बुक, ऑप्शन बी, ड्रामेटिक पर्सन, ऑप्शन सी, मैन एंड वुमेन एंड ऑप्शन डी, पाउलान. सो पाउलिन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Thank you for watching this video, dear friends.